Drop it.
Okay, enough shenanigans. On to the main point of this video. Why am I including bench press into a triathlon specific program? Is it because having a stronger chest will improve shoulder health for my swimming? Will a stronger chest make my swimming stronger? No. It's because I want to have the most jacked chest on the starting line. It's purely an intimidation factor. Yeah, there's something to be said for that. I mean, chest has always been kind of a self-conscious body part for me. I naturally carry more fat in that area. And when we're working hard in a program, we just want to look good. And I just want to look good. I want to have a jacked chest. Will it help me with the swim? Will it help me, be healthier? Maybe. But yeah, also I just want to bench 315 and be jacked. So that's what it's all about.